Hi guys, welcome to taping your new hockey stick or hockey stick with Noah. And here's how I tape my hockey stick, since I get a lot of questions about this actually. I did just get a new hockey stick since I broke my other game stick. Since everyone's asking me how I tape my hockey stick, what I like to do is I get about, maybe about like a foot and a half. I don't know if it's a foot and a half, but then I just spin it a little bit more maybe. Then I spin it, I just keep spinning it. And I go down to a certain spot on my stick, so it just looks pretty nice. That's the thing. That's what this is all about. I like how when my stick looks nice. Like I like how my stick looks when it looks nice. So we go about once round with that, and then we go again. I don't make it too far away. And if I need to add more, I will. But I don't think I need to add more here. Ooh, I made that crooked, so. And if it's crooked, it's easier. It's an easy fix, which I like about doing this tape job. I've had this tape job for a while. Okay, one more maybe. Yeah, and it looks perfect. And then maybe one more spin. So I'd go around the bottom once. That's the sticky side, yeah. Oh, so one more. And then we just go around once, and then we just come back, and we just grab our scissors right here, and we just cut this. I have bad scissors right now, so it might not cut right away, which isn't a bad thing, but it's annoying. Okay, there we go. Should be it. Kind of messed up on the bottom part, but it's okay. So it should look like somewhat like that. I mean, you can do it your own way. I go down to the CCM logo because why not? And now what you do is you grab this. You start at the top. I cover my knob, but I don't really have a knob, so I just go like that. And then I don't even wait. I like literally just go around. And then you're gonna have to press this down, but I just wait to press it down when I'm done. And then I spin it around maybe twice, yeah, once. I do it once every time. But I do like half of my tape down. Like I only put half my tape, because if I put more than half of my tape, can't do that. I keep going, and then keep going. Just do half right there. Keep going. I love this like stick tape type of thing, because it's just like, it looks nice and it feels insanely nice to me, in my opinion, because I don't really like having, like I need to feel where my hands are, my stick and stuff, you know. So then you do that, and then so then go down here, and when you're at the end, you just go over it. And then I go down maybe like an inch under it, and then I just wrap it up around twice, yeah. And I like how my stick tape grip, like it's not like nice, neat. It makes it look like it's worn out, which I like when it looks like that, because it just, I don't know, it feels good and looks nice. So then when you do that, I did not do that part nice. That's a little, Normally I do this nicely, but when I'm done with this part, normally I just flatten it out pretty much. And when I'm done flattening it out, I just sold this whole thing right here. When I'm done flattening it out, I either grab a puck and maybe my gloves, and I just like make it so it looks worn out. So I literally just like do puck swipes on it. But I don't have a puck with me right now, so I can't do that. So I can't showcase that. I did move on to a P29 stick blade, so let's take the blade now. I use a puck for this, so what I do is I start basically right by the heel. Like literally right by the heel. Like right on the heel pretty much. And I go around like once, maybe twice at the first one. And then I do it at like a diagonal type of like tape job. Because like, I don't know, it just looks good. And then I just keep going from there, and yeah. And then when I'm done with this, all I do is I do about like maybe like not even an inch. Like I do barely any tape, Like my tape is spread out about like this much. And then you just keep going. Go right here. Take that. Failure. Okay. And then I don't do full stock. I just do a classic, just classic tape job, Okay. And then when you get to like around here, you do like 2 more times, 1 more, now 1 more. Yeah, it's perfect, but now 1 more. I can do 1 more. Okay. Okay, then we just bring it back up and then over. Ooh, I did not check the back side. Anyways, so now what you do is you cut this. Okay, and you just do that. Okay, and you flatten out all the edges you want to flatten out. You do what you do with normal tape. And then, boom, that's what it should look like at the end. Should look like that. I do the Betsy type of tape with the box. I just put pucker lining up here, over here, and then I put some in the front, soft ones, and then I put some in the back. And yeah, that's pretty much how I tape my stick. And yeah, Noah out.